6:20 now. I know I just did an update, but look at this tree. You can't really tell right now, but it is just going back and forth pretty bad. And there's another tree right there. And then you see the puddles everywhere. Wind's starting to pick up a little. Whoa. Touchdown around here is supposed to be about midnight, I believe. We'll try to keep you posted. Turn off the lens. No, here. Ground is very, very soggy. And there's just water everywhere. You can see all this debris on the street. Rain's picking up. Hope I'm not too much of an idiot. Now here's the storm drain, and this water's just pouring in there. More water dripping in. Some more. Let me get a good idea of what's going on here. You can see a generator over at the next house. I can't zoom in anymore, but it's in that garage right there, little red thing. The quality's getting bad because it's all this water in the lens. Wind's kind of stopped a little bit, at least for the moment. Usually it's off and on, at least in my opinion. Top of the house, you can see these trees. Hopefully they won't fall. There's the generator right there, the other house. There's water everywhere, and, hope for the best, prepare for the worst. Driveway has a lot of little leaves everywhere. clearing these huge pieces of the trees off. Well, not huge, but small for weeds, you know, pretty big bunches. The garden is, you know, likes water, but, you know, this is a little much. It has huge puddles of water. Everything just soaks. These birds have just been looking for food, but they haven't really been able to find some. But we're trying to keep some bird food out. The power is still out, as you can see. It's been out since about 2:35. It was flickering then, but it finally went out around 2:45. Just around the first video. There's the one there. And, you know, around midnight is when it's, again, like I said, it's supposed to hit. So, you know, I'll try not to get killed by doing, you know, standing around outside. But if I'm up, I'll keep you guys posted. Not here in a while now. I'm gonna probably head back inside now. And good luck.